Volatility is back, and is the bull dead? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard. It's Bubba's Daily Update, and what a day. Man, is volatility screaming in this market, up and down. This morning at about 7:30 or 6:30, whatever it was, the markets went down 200, came all the way back, got up 100. Wild swings back and forth. Where we go, it's like spin the bottle. Where it goes, nobody knows. It's amazing what's going on here with the markets. And of course, this is the volatility that we used to have. This isn't even what real volatility is yet, but we're finally seeing some action, which leads us to the question, is the top of the market in? And we've been talking about it all week, and this looks like that this is very similar to topping action. Lots of volatility, rallies are vicious, and then they fail. So we'll see, where we go from here. But at the end of the day, markets are on both sides of unchanged. The NASDAQ got clobbered late after being strong. The Dow is bouncing back and forth. And, again, by the time things settle out, you've got after the close, you've got Amazon earnings, Apple earnings, Google earnings. At Facebook, that last night was down 10, then it was up 10. Just wild swings all over the place. And I guess that begs a question, are the FANGs in trouble right now? And we'll see. We'll know a lot tomorrow when we see how this all trades out. Plus, you got the jobs number tomorrow. But we had an amazing pounding of the dollar, which propelled gold and oil a little bit higher. The bonds got clobbered again. Rates are flying. 10-year notes, 277. 30's getting pushing 3%. Again, these are things we've talked about all along, that this is exactly what this expect, and this shows exactly why the Fed doesn't know what they're doing, why they're clueless, and why this is going to be a problem, and why this could be the eventual black swan event. When it's all said and done, you're not going to be able to compress this dollar much more. We had grains were under a little bit of pressure today, but have had a fairly decent week. Cattle, fats and feeders, both up the limit. All right, I think those are both great sales up in here now. Hogs remain strong, but if you haven't noticed, they flipped. At one point, April was $7 over February. Now February's over April. So, and that's how cute the markets can be. And then we have Bitcoin, which is just totally getting plunged every single day now, as it now is broken below the $9,000 barrier. So the whole picture is very simple, okay? We've got a lot of volatility. The markets look extremely heavy. We've got a lot of big earnings coming out later. And as we see the markets, you got to look to be right now a seller of good rallies. You got to find a good level of resistance in which you'd want to be a seller, because these markets look like they're on the ledge, ready to go down and get clobbered. In the meantime, don't get too aggressive, and for sure, don't chase them down when they're going. If you miss a sell, you miss it. Don't worry about it. You'll get the next one, because I will promise you this. If this is the top, there will be vicious rallies to sell into. The problem we all have is those rallies look so good, it's hard to sell them, because it's hard not to want to be a buyer. And those are just the rallies that you want to sell. But overall, you've got Bubba got clobbered, which we assumed. We've got a lot of troubles that are brewing around. And of course, markets have priced in already so much good news. How much more room is there left for the markets to go higher? And those are the things we got to watch out for. The bond should have some big action tomorrow, as well as gold and the currencies. Let's see what the jobs number looks like, and that will give us even a better clue as what to go next. I'll cover all this in the weekend update and on Bubba's Bottom Line. But in the meantime, again, we think the top is in. We're looking to be a seller into very strong rallies. What we're really looking for here is some good solid opportunities, some good solid footprints. In the meantime, that'll do it for today's Bubba's Daily Update. Remember, highschoolinvesting.com. Help a brother out. Patreon.com/Bubba Trading. If you want to donate, you get one free week of the Futures Advisory Service. And of course, it's the Super Bowl on Sunday, so after I tell you to don't miss the Bubba Show at LibertyTalk.fm every day, 4 to 5 Eastern, I will give you my prediction, which is New England wins by 2 touchdowns. Everybody's betting Philly. I'm on New England, 2-touchdown winner. Enjoy the Super Bowl. We'll talk to you over the weekend. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. This is Bubba's Daily Update. Take care, everybody.